Yes, after summer comes fall. And this is a clear pattern that we see. But if we can just think outside the box and step out a little bit backwards, we can see that our whole life is full of patterns, and it's full of cycles, and it's full of the same thing all the time. So if you're missing something, so something's changed that dramatically, that something is missing, sometimes something else comes and fills it. And hopefully, if you broke a pattern, whatever fills up your new pattern will be a blessing and not a curse. So as we acknowledge change and how it always happens and how things stay the same, we must also acknowledge our own cycles and how we change throughout the season.